What we're going to do this week is do a little bit of distributive property and combining like terms. It's a review of what we've done in the past. Just want to make sure I show you exactly what work I expect. This first example, it says, simplify each expression, which means get rid of the parentheses, go ahead and multiply. This is an example of the distributive property. 3n times 10n is 30n squared, plus 3n times 9 is 27n. Okay, there is nothing to combine here. We're good. There's nothing more that we can do. So we go ahead and circle that. All right, so not a whole lot of work to show as far as steps. The second example, a little bit different situation. We're still going to distribute the 7 to both of these terms. 7 times 6v is 42v, minus 7 times 4 is 28. And then I have this plus 10 at the end here. Okay, these are both constants. I can go ahead and add those. So it's 42v doesn't change, minus 18, negative 28 plus 10 is negative 18. I don't have any more like terms combined. There's my answer. Number 10, same situation. 2v times 10v would be 20v squared. And then minus 2v times 2 is 4v. And then I have, this plus 7v at the end. These are both like terms, so I can combine those. So 20v squared I can't do anything with. And then this would be, so negative 4v plus 7v would be plus 3v. These are not like terms. One's v squared, one's v. I cannot combine them. So I leave it as 20v squared. Number 4, same thing, except I have to distribute twice. So this gives me 48r squared plus 16r. I'm distributing a negative 4r. So that gives me negative 8r plus, because a negative times negative is positive. 4r times r is positive 4r squared. I'm combining like terms here. That gives me 52r squared. I'm combining like terms here. And that gives me plus 8r. I cannot combine this. This is r squared. This is r. It's the best I can do. I cannot go any further than that. I cannot combine them because they're not like terms. In our last example, we're looking at this one. Again, combining like terms after we distribute. So I'm going to go negative 2m times 8m will be negative 16m. Negative times negative is positive. 2 times 5 is 10. M times m is m squared. Negative times negative is positive. 4 times 7m is 28m. And then negative times negative is positive again. 4 times 3 is 12. All right, so again, combining like terms. But I'm going to put this in descending order. That means go by increasing degree or largest degree to smallest degree. So I'm looking at exponents. So I'm going to put the 10m squared first. And then I'm going to do these two. So that gives me a positive 12m. And then positive 12 because of that. And then I do not have any like terms left. That's the best I can do. Okay, so making sure we distribute, show the work that I showed in this video on your homework.